We'll guide you through how to create a PayPal account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open any browser to your liking. In my case, I'm using Chrome, but you can use anyone. And go to the search bar and search for PayPal. Just click on the official link and click on sign up for free. Now you'll need to add your phone number. Just add your phone number and click on next. After adding your phone number, it will send a confirmation code in your mobile number. Just type the security code, and after typing, it will prompt you to create a password. Just create a strong password to your liking. And after writing your password, after adding your password, just click on next, and it will ask you to add your personal info. You can write your personal info here and add your date of birth and click on next. You now have to add your address. Just click on address and start typing to show result, which in my case it's going to be Kathmandu, and click on I agree and click on agree and continue. Now you can see that your account has been successfully created. You can thus start shopping with your PayPal, or you can send payment directly from here, and you can also add your card to start using your PayPal. Just click on shop with PayPal and click on not now, or if you want to add your debit or credit card, just add it in this interface, but for now I'm just gonna skip it. And you will see we have successfully created our PayPal account. Take some time to explore the PayPal dashboard. At the top, you will find different sections like wallet, send, and activity, which can help you manage your account and transaction. And now you are ready to use PayPal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.